In this new series we will talk about the Raspberry Pi. I have a complete installation guide on ClipCourse.dev, so make sure to check it out first. In today's video I will talk about the GPIO and how to use the GPIO pins. You will need to have a resistor of 330 ohms. This will be in series with the LED going to the GPIO pin and the ground. When the circuit is done, we will go to the Raspberry Pi and create a .py file. We start by importing the GPIO library as GPIO. I will also import the time library to put the GPIO in sleep. First, we start by GPIO.setMode. Here we choose to use the BCM GPIO pin layout. Now we define which pin we want to use. When we defined our pin, we need to set it up as the input or output. In this case, I will use it as a LED, so it needs to be an output. To turn on the LED, we need to go to GPIO.output, define the LED again, and put the GPIO on high. I will wait for 10 seconds, so the LED will be on for 10 seconds, and then I will put the GPIO pin back to low. This will make sure there is no power sent to the pin. At the end, we need to clean up all our pins, so all the pins are back free if we want to use the same pins again in another script. This is very important. And as you can see, if we run our script, the pin on BCM17 is on and the script will end after 10 seconds of running and the LED will be out. As you can see on the right side, I have two tables. On the left side we have the BCM table, and on the right side we have the board table. These two can be used to define pins, but we will use the BCM on the left side.
Visit ClipCourse.dev and navigate to the tutorial section in the category list. You'll discover all our tutorials along with the accompanying files available for free and secure download with just one click.